Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, hi, I'm Sapna. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's been a long time since I did my last embroidery, so I'm thinking of doing an embroidery for this video. So this is the thing on which I will be going to do my embroidery. So this is an old cap that I had at home, so it's pretty old and it's in pretty rust color. So I'm thinking of just same ripping the embroidered logo which is in the front and do my embroidery on it. So let's get started. So I will start by seam ripping the front logo. So after I removed the logo, I moved to remove the written part of the logo, which was not very good idea because the seam was really small, and even though I had the seam ripper, it was really difficult to remove it. So I decided not to seam rip all of them and only remove R somehow, and then I decided to leave the rest as it is. And now I'm using an embroidery hoop to keep the fabric of the cap nice and tight so that I would be able to embroider on the cap easily. So once the embroidery hoop was on its place nicely, I took a pen and then started to draw whatever I wanted to embroider on the cap. So I'm quite happy with my drawing, so I'm moving towards embroidering it. So I'm taking here threads, sewing threads, and I'm working with whatever I have at home right now. So yeah, and I'm taking this dark brown shade and I'm using it for the center of the flower. So I'm making sunflower on this cap. So yeah, for that texture in the center of this sunflower, I'm using a French knot. So a French knot is basically when you wrap the thread around the needle and then poke it back on the fabric right beside where you took the thread out from, and there you have it. And now you have to repeat it couple of times until you have your desired shape or texture, whatever you like to call it. So yeah, I'm doing here right now. And when you are finished embroidering, tie a knot on the back to secure it on its place. So there you have it, the center of the sunflower, and I did the same with the other flower also. And now I'm moving towards the petals of the sunflower. So here I'm using the long stitch. So to make the petals, you have to take the thread from where the petals start and take it all the way to the top where the petal ends, and then repeat the same, but you have to start the next stitch slightly lower from the first one and the center one, so to get the petal like structure, and repeat that on both the sides to maintain the symmetry. So you have to repeat it a couple of times till you are happy with the structure, and then repeat the same on the next petal, and then again till you have a complete flower. So I only have this embroidery thread that is in green color, so I'm going to use it for the leaves. So I'm taking these two strands to make the leaves, and for the making of leaves you're gonna wanna repeat the same exact method what you used for the petals. So yeah, use the same method to make petals.
You make me smile, oh yeah. You make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe in me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see you.
And now I'm done with my embroidery, so I'm taking out this embroidery hook. And now I'm taking this red colored thread to embroider that R back on its place. So for that I'm using random stitches, back stitch, long stitch, whatever is gonna work for me. So I'm just hoping that I would write that correctly, embroider it correctly. So yeah, I'm using several stitches, random stitches, and hoping that it would turn out good. And once I was happy with the embroidery, I tied a knot in the back to secure it on its place, snip off the excess thread, and here is the final result.
It felt good to see you crawling again after you left me for him. Just so good. See you wipe off the grin because you thought I'd forget that you should. Beat me down on my knees, baby, begging you please.
Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.
Sometimes it's hard